Assalamu alaikum. This is Aminur Rahman speaking from Shibpur High School, Birampur Dinajpur. Dear students, before this class, I have uploaded some classes in my YouTube channel. You know that my YouTube channel is CCS Aminur, and also in my Facebook account, Aminur Rahman. If you just search these classes, you will get the classes in my YouTube channel, also in Facebook account. Dear participants, dear students, earlier I have discussed with you the narration part 1. Today I want to discuss with you the narration part 2. This narration part 2 will help you just to know and write down the accurate answer of, from direct to indirect correctly and accurately. That will help you a lot. Please try to concentrate to my class. Dear participants, let's come to the board. Earlier in my class, I have discussed with you how can we sense the person and also the verb. You know that about the person, I discussed with you. If we get I, my, me in the reported speech, this I, my, me will indicate the subject of reporting verb. This subject of reporting verb will go to at the place I, my, me accordingly. If it is subject, then the subject of reporting verb that will come at this place. If it is object, if it is possessive, the possessive of reporting verb will come here. If it is object, the objective form of reporting verb that will come at the place of I, my, me, and I, my, me will be eradicated. Now, I discussed with you, if we get you, your, you, that will indicate the object of reporting verb. Okay, object of reporting verb, and this object will come at the place of you, your, you. If it is subject, the subjective form of reporting verb that will come at this place, and you will be eradicated. If we get your, the possessive form of this object will come at this place. If we get you, the objective form of this object that will come at this place. So you, your, you, if we get this, that will mean the object of reporting verb. Except this, if we get, we can say he, his, she, her, they, their, okay. That will not indicate the subject and also the object, but they will remain same. That means he, his, him, she, her, they, their, them. It all be changed. Okay. So these are the rule that I discussed with you earlier, and also I discussed with you about the verbs. Okay. If we get in reported speech the verb, that is verb 1. In indirect narration, it will be verb 2. If we get am, is, are, in indirect narration, that will be was, were. If we get have, has, that will be had. If we get was, were, that will be had been. If we get subject plus verb 2, that means verb, the past form of verb, that will be had plus verb 3. If we get we can say shall, that will be should. If we get will, that will be would. If we get can, that will be could. If we get may, that will be might. If we get must, that will be had to. And that I have discussed with you earlier. Now I want to discuss with you the most another aspect. Please try to concentrate that. Okay, dear participants, please look at this. Now I'm going to discuss with you this aspect. This is the diagram. Okay, following this diagram, if we just transform the sentences from direct to indirect, then our sentence will be completed. Now look at this. If we get here, if we get assertive sentence, basically I have discussed with you how can we recognize assertive sentence. There will be the subject plus verb plus extension. Okay, then the sentence will be assertive sentence. If it is assertive sentence, then we have to just set up told instead of said. Instead of said, here will be told, and to delete inverted comma, we have to use here that. Okay. Instead of said, there will be the told, and to delete inverted comma, there will be that. Now I'm going to say the sentence. Okay, please look at this. Sadika said to Sakib, I am learning English. we just if we look at this sentence, we will easily see that this is assertive sentence because subject plus verb plus extension. So how will we just change this sentence following the system? Number one, please look at this. Sadika, instead of said, there will be the told. Okay, please look at this told. So told, Shakib. To delete inverted comma, we have to use here that. So we have to write here that. Now we have learned about the changing of person and the verb. So I will indicate the subject of repeating verb. So instead of I, there will be, as Sadika is a female person, so instead of Sadika there will be the she. The pronoun of Sadika she. Here we have got here am. Instead of am, there will be was. We have learned that was learning English. Learning English. So this is the sense. Okay. If we just follow this rule and if we change this from direct to indirect, our sentence will be completed. So you have got the idea. Now, dear students, just I'm giving you practice. Now you have to practice that. Now, dear student, this is the practice of assertive sentence. So you are getting 5 sentences. You have to just transform it from direct to indirect. Okay, please look at the first one. Rana said to me, "You are my best friend." Transform it into indirect sentence. Okay, now number 2. Sonia said to Rakib, "I have seen it." Okay, number 3. Ruhul said to Poppy, "My brother must come." Number 4, I said to him, "You will learn English." Number 5, he said to me, "Raju may play today." So these are the sentences you have to just transform it into indirect narration. Okay, just I'm giving you for some times. Within this time, you try to complete it. Okay, dear students, I'm just helping you just transform it into from direct to indirect sentence. Okay, please look at this. Rana told me to delete inverted comma, as this is the assertive sentence. To delete inverted comma, there will be that. You have got here you. You will indicate the pronoun of the repeating verb, object of the repeating verb. So instead of you, there will be I. As this is the subjective form, the subjective form of this subject is I. So I will be set here. Okay. Now R will be changed into past tense. So this is R. There will be was. We have got here my. My will indicate the subject. Okay, of repeating verb. So my is the possessive form. The possessive form of Rana, that will be his best friend. Best. And after the sentence there will be a full stop. Okay. So this is the process. Now I'm just transforming the second sentence. Sonia told Rakib that I will indicate the subject of repeating verb. So instead of Sonia, there will be the she. We have got here have. That will be changed into had. Seen it. Now, second sentence. Rahul told Poppy that, to delete inverted comma, there will be that as the assertive sentence, that my will indicate the subject. So my the possessive from Rahul is his brother. If we get must, there will be the had to. Come. Okay. Now I come to the number 4. Sentence number 4. I told him that you will indicate the It's the object of repeating verb. Instead of you, there will be he. Will, that will change into would. Would learn English. Now number 5, he told me to delete inverted comma, there will be the that. Raju won't be changed because third person singular number. Raju. If we get may, there will be the might. Might play. If we get today, that will be that day. Okay. This is the sense about the assertive sentence. Okay. Now, I'm going to discuss the second one.